This Rasa Panchadhyaya is very special episode in Bhagavatam. Like I said last class, our Sri Krishna did Rasa only in this avatara. The Vamana Bhagavan did not do Leela with gopis. Narasimha Bhagavan did not do a dance with gopis. Sri Ramachandra Prabhu said Eka Patni Vrata. He did not do that. Varaha Bhagavan lifted Bhumi from the Rasatala, but he didn't do Rasa. Only Krishna Avatara. Krishna Bhagavan is Prema Swarupa. Krishna is Bhagavan is Prema Swarupa. That is what is shown in the Rasa Leela. Bhagavan is Atyanta Prema Swarupa. It is beyond the Aishwaryam. Yes, he has all the Aishwarya of the universe. He has the status and power and everything, and he resides in Vaikuntha, etc. But Bhagavanodu, Krishna, what is the tattva of Krishna is, he is Prema Swarupa. And to get there, it was only the gopis could get there. To get the Anubhava of Prema with Krishna. So it was possible only by Radha's grace. So this Rasa is about Radha. She's very quiet and person, she won't come in the front, but she's the one running the whole show. Radha, she's utmost humility and a deep love, deep divine love, and she has Mahabhavam. So, and the Radha wanted to bless her Sakhis, the gopis, and so by her grace, the gopis got this Anubhava of having Krishna with the Prema Bhava. So, Krishna is Prema Bhavana. Our Guruji has written beautiful Kirtan. Like I said last week, so many Kirtan on Kannan and Radha. Which one to pick, I don't know, but I want to sing something. I didn't practice. We'll just try. Prema, 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 Prema Swarupinya Sarvam Prema Mayam. Bhagavan is Sarvam Prema Mayam. Nayanam Prema, Nasika Prema, Lalatam Prema, Tilakam Prema, Kapolam Prema, Kundalam Prema, Padapallavam Prema, Karakamalam Prema, 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 Prema Swarupinya Sarvam Prema Mayam. Veni Prema, Pushpam Prema, Mala Prema, Haram Prema, Kanchi Prema, Kankanam Prema, Vasanam Prema, Nupuram Prema, Geetam Prema, Natyam Prema, Vachanam Prema, Lekhanam Prema, Hasanam Prema, Gamanam Prema, Panam Prema, Bhakshanam Prema, Kataksham Prema, Karunyam Prema, Lavanyam Prema, Hridayam Prema, Viraham Prema, Milanam Prema, Swami Prema, Nikunjam Prema, 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 Prema Swarupinya Sarvam Prema Mayam. This is the essence of Rasa. Bhagavan is Prema Mayam. Today he is going to tell, the gopis are going to ask that question and Bhagavan is going to give answer. That is today's main portion. So, Dashakam 66. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Jnani attain jnana, they go to their Atma level. For Bhagavan, his Atma level is even deeper, which is our Radha. So, we don't have access to the Atma level. We are still in the Sharira level. Sharira, mind and Stula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira. That's all we know. But beyond that, in the deep recesses of the heart is the Atma Swarupam, Atma. For us to get that Anubhava is one thing. Now imagine that Bhagavan, who is doing the Srishti Sthiti Samharam, is the creator, sustainer, destroyer of the universe. Kodi Kodi Brahmandas emerge from his pores of his body. Lord Shiva is taking the dust of his feet on his head. Lord Brahmaji is always doing pranam and serving him. All the Brahmanas are chanting Veda mantra for Bhagavan Krishna. All the Lakshmi Devi is always at his feet and praying, worshipping him. All are worshipping Sri Krishna. But who does Sri Krishna worship? Radhe. So, and the Radhe is the Atma. Radhe is also the Guru, Radhe is also the consort. And the Radhe relationship rumba pavitram and it's guptam. Guptam, it's not told openly, it is even misunderstood in many cases. But since we are in satsang, when we get to hear a lot of katha about Radhe, we can say Radhe is Prema Swarupini. And Krishna, even in the rasa, as he's delighting the gopis, there also our Krishna does seva to Radhe. She is his most favorite. When she has 16,008 wives in Dwaraka, even after having all the Aishwaryam, all the power, he's always remembering Radhe, and Lakshmi Devi is telling, why are you always thinking about Radhe? What is so different and great? Then Bhagavan shows them. So Radhe or Prema Bhava is cannot be explained in words. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was the avatara to show the Prema Bhava. If we read the Charitra of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we could understand the Bhava of Radhe. He was always in tears, always in viraha, deep viraha, separated from Krishna. He was always crying. That Bhava was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Krishna wanted to experience what Radha is experiencing, even Krishna couldn't go that deep. And the level Radha, utmost Prema Bhavam. நம்மளுக்குள்ள இருக்குது, ஆனால் ராதே கிரேஸ் தான் கிடைக்கும். We get only by Radhe's grace. So that Krishna wanted to experience what Radha is experiencing. So he took, so Avatara came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Is Gora Gauranga. Is Gora like Radhe, right? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was that Radhayoda Bhavam. Other than closed we can understand. Now if you see Jagannath Swami, is that Prema Bhava. As Jagannath Swami Katha, I'll quickly tell. Jagannath Swami origin many people do not know. Like we have Jagannath in our house, right? So that Jagannath, Rukmini Devi is asking this question. How come you like the Radha so much? What is so great? So then all the wives of Krishna wanted to hear Vraj Leela. They want to ask what happened in Vraj for the first 11 years. So who has seen everything in Vraj? Devaki was here, she didn't see that. Yashoda was not here, Yashoda didn't see. Yashoda only knows Vraj portion, she doesn't know Dwaraka portion. Devaki knows Dwaraka portion, she doesn't know Vraj portion. But Rohini Devi knows both. Rohini Devi is here in Dwaraka, but she also was there when Krishna was doing the Leelas in Vraj. So they all go and beg Rohini Devi, Balram's mother, to narrate about Vrindavan Leela. So Rohini Devi says, I will narrate, but just make sure Krishna Balram don't come and hear it. Because if they hear it, they won't be able to bear it. So they said yes. So they made Subhadra as the guard, Krishna's sister Subhadra. They made her as the guard so that Krishna Balram will not enter. And inside, Rohini Devi is narrating all the Vraja Leela to the 16,000 women. And then suddenly Krishna Balram came there. Subhadra is hearing. Krishna Balram came. What is happening there? She is saying, we cannot go there. She's telling about Vrajalila. No, I want to go. Krishna is begging her. She said, no, I'm not allowed to let you. So Krishna by his Loka Shakti is able to hear. All of them hear. Krishna Balram and Subhadra hear the Vrajalila that she is narrating one by one. And as they hear, the bhava is coming for them. And then the limbs are withdrawn inside the body. They are not able to hold it. It's like the Mahabhava, where Sharira Bodham is not there. And the eyes went inside, the hands went inside. All the body is like, in a different state. It's not able to move. It's not able to function in the current space. All the limbs were withdrawn inside and the eyes went inside. And that's how the Jagannath Swami Vigraha has come. Narada Muni said, Apirpata Prema came for Bhagavan, for all the three. Then, and the Prema Swarupa is Jagannatha. And Narada came. Narada knows everything, is the Guru for the entire world. Because of him, we have Bhagavatam, Narayanyam, Ramayanam, everything. Narada is telling, but Krishna, what a divine avatara this is. You have to preserve this and show this in Kali Yuga. Narada requests Jagannath Swami that then Krishna said, so be it. Then a long story happens. The hunter who killed Bhagavan, in the last moment, that hunter, tribal person, the hunter, he is crying, Krishna, I was the one to shoot the arrow, please forgive me. Bhagavan says, you will also attain heaven, don't worry, it's my plan. So that hunter is born in the tribal region, in Neelachal Parvat. And the hunter or the tribal, the Raja, the leader is called Vishwavasu. And Bhagavan, he has come as Gopala. And the Vishwavasu is doing puja to that idol. In the meantime, in Puri, Raja Pratap is an utmost great devotee. He wants to build a temple for Bhagavan. And then the gods are, Narada is blessing him, all the gods are, planning, because Puri Jagat, the Jagannath Rupa of Sri Krishna that was in the last part of Kali, Dwapara Yuga, has to be reincarnated and established in Kali Yuga. So many years have passed to make that Bhagavan in Kali Yuga for our sake. That is their plan for the gods. So this Raja Pratap want to build a temple. Yes, utmost tapas he has done for achieving this. And Bhagavan comes in the dream, says, you build a temple. He built the temple. Then what deity to install? Nobody is telling. He's waiting. And then he wants to get answer. Again he does tapas. Then Bhagavan comes in the dream. He says, there is an idol of me in Neelachal Parvat. You send your ministers to find me. Then this Raja Pratap, he sends everyone in different direction. Vidyapati is his minister. He went to Neelachal Parvat. Then he got married to the lady Lalita, and Lalita's father is Vishwavasu. Vishwavasu is doing the secret puja. Nobody knows about it. He goes to a cave, does puja, comes back, daily ritual, rain or shine, goes. Vidyapati is asking, who is your father? Why is he going every day? I also want to go with him. She says, it's our family deity, nobody has adhikaram to see him. So Vidyapati begs her, then she says, since I'm married to you, you have the right. So she requests her father and pleads. Then Vishwavasu says, you have to tie your eyes, you come. So they blindfold him and take him to the place. But Vishwavasu he puts the mustard seeds all the way on the ground so that he will have later the seed will sprout, he will know which way he went. So he put seeds all the way on the ground. Then when he was blindfolded, then after he reached, just the eyes were opened, then he saw beautiful Neelamega Shamala Gopala. That is one part. Then what happened? Here again Raja Pratap is waiting. Which idol to install? Which idol to install? Then Vidyapati comes back, right? But here they say, again Bhagavan comes in dream, says a big log will come in the ocean, near the ocean, the banks in the Puri area, near the ocean. So you go bring the log. Then we'll tell you. Every time suspense, nobody is telling. Then he goes in the morning, all of them see the log. The log is there, but nobody is able to move it. A big wooden log has come floating in the sea. Nobody is able to move it. Again Raja Pratapa is singing and doing tapas, waiting for answer. At the correct time, they get the answer. The Vishwavasu who has worshipped that idol, that Neela Gopala, only he has to come and touch this wood, apata it will move. So Vidyapati, the minister, he brings Vishwavasu and then he touches. And now the log is ready. What to do with this log? Who is going to build idol of Bhagavan? No answer yet. For that, more tapas. Then an old man comes. Who is that? Vishwakarma, the architect of heaven. He comes and says, I can build the idol. I will take 21 days. No one should disturb me. I will be closed in the room. No one should come and disturb me. Then the queen is asking, what about your eating and sleeping? She says, I will not eat or sleep until I finish this. So he shuts himself in the door with the log. He is building. The Brahmaji comes and tells Pratapa, it will be Krishna, Subhadra and Baladeva. So all are waiting to see. Then Vishwakarma is the only one, because all are telling we can only do stone idol, we don't know how to do wood idol. Vishwakarma came as old man, he started making the 3 idols. And then he did 15 days, he was working. After the 15 days, there was no sound. So queen got anxious. Why we don't hear anything? Is he okay? He's not eating so many days, maybe he died. I have to see. She became impatient. Then Raja was forced to open the door. They opened the door. It was half built. It was not finished. The body was not finished. Bhagavan is in this form. Jagannath, Baladeva, Subhadra Rani. It was not finished. The Vishwakarma disappeared. Now he cannot come back. That was the deal. 21 days. Now he disappeared. The idols are left like that. Then, and the idol is there, Neelachal Parbat, that Krishna was merged into this to give jiva to these idols. So, in the Chaitanya Swarupam and the Krishna tende, இது merge ஆயிடுது. So, அந்த கிருஷ்ணர் இதுல ஒரு Brahma Tattvam, they say it is some substance, they don't know what it is. Even today, whenever they do the Pratishtha, after every 12 years, they are supposed to do, like how we do Kumbhabhisheka and all, they are supposed to again revive the idol with energy. Whole city Puri will be in darkness. The only person who does this, he will also be blindfolded. Somehow he will get that jiva in his hand. Then he will go to the temple and by magic it will happen. Or dravyam, something will be there. Still he doesn't know, nobody knows. So a jiva or alive Mari, it becomes alive, the Murti. This is the story of Jagannath Swami. So the hands and the Bhava what we are studying Rasa, it's the most favorite of Bhagavan. If he hears rasa, he becomes like that. So, and that is the prema bhava for Radha. So, that is why Jagannath is the place to visit to if you want to see Radha. If you, this is the Shringara bhava. Tapadi is about Shringara bhava, about Radha Krishna and the Leelas they did and the Rasa. Jayadeva has written in great detail. அதுக்கப்புறம் பாகவதம் நாராயணியம் very few other granthas are there. Radha Sudhanidhi is there. Brahma Vaivarta Purana, it also tells about Radha Krishna marriage, etc. But Radha is Guptam. Now we are telling itself is Bhagyam. Telling itself is wow. She's, I don't know what to tell. Radha is Radha. So the Gopi Bhava is something. If you want to really see the villages, how it was before Krishna Avadara time, like that, you can see Barsana is a big Sriji Mandir. There is Banke Bihari Lal Mandir, the small Mandir. So, on the Bhava Maranamna, that's why I host Muralikaji program in Vraj. How did I get Muralikaji program? I host 2018, so many years. So, by hanging out with them, you could get the Bhava. This also by my Guruji's grace. When you get more and more satsang opportunity, it's by Guru Kripa. It's not, it will knock at the door, but nobody will go. So, it's only by grace when they come to accept. So, that's how I've got little bit of the feeling. I do not, and nothing, I'm zero compared to all the things, but I understand what I don't have. Understand that. Understand. So then, அதுதான் beauty of gopis. எப்படி அந்த gopis would level to explain that I'm telling all this. Gopis are not ordinary grihastha women like us. They are somewhere there. They are all done tapas for koti janma tapas panni. They have attained the status of gopis. The Shrutis became gopis. Right? The Shrutis. So, gopis are themselves very, very high place இருக்கு அவளுக்கு இந்த பிரபஞ்சத்துல. அந்த gopis where Shiva, Vishnu and Brahmaji and Indra and the Devatas take the dust of their feet and sprinkle their head to purify themselves. That is the gopis. That Lord Shiva, that Lord Brahma, all of them, and the gopis. So, அதனால Rasa is something amazing. I wish it is only for 5 chapters. After that again, regular. So, Rasa means, I don't know, we didn't even start class. Already time. So, இதுதான் இதில் குட்டி குட்டி ஸ்லோகா and little bit tune is different. So, just watch. உபயாதானாம் சுதிருக்ஷாம் குசுமாயுதபாணபாத விவசானாம் அபிவாஞ்சிதம் விதாத்தும் கிருதமதிரவி தாஜகாதவாமமிவ उपयातानां सुदृशां कुसुमायुधबाणपादविवशानाम् अभिवाञ्छितं विधातुं कृतमतिरपि ताजगादवाममिव. The river is running to the ocean, like that they ran without realizing they were just the calling had come. So once they all came and gathered near Bhagavan now, they are all near him. Upayatanam Sudrasham. Bhagavan saw the beautiful gopis. And then the gopis, they have now the Kamadeva has shot the arrow now. They are mesmerized by Krishna. But this is not Kama. Rasa is not Kama Bhava. Rasa is Prema Bhava. Right? It's not normal man and woman Kama. It's Prema. That's the difference. So, they all came standing near Bhagavan. And then Bhagavan is as though he only called them. Bhagavan only called them. But when they came, Vamamiva, he's talking ulta. He's talking ulta sulta. He only called, right? Guru Arpan will do this. He will call, then you go, he'll test you. He loves to test. So the gopis came, but then he is speaking ulta. What did he say? Gaganagadam muninivaham shravayidum jagida kulavadu dharmam dharmyam khalu te vachanam karmatuno nirmalasya vishwasyam गगनगदं मुनिनिवहं श्रावयितुं जगिद कुलवधू धर्मं धर्म्यं खलु देवचनं कर्मतु नो निर्मलस्य विश्वास्यम्. Start, they're all hearing. So let them hear. Actually, Bhagavan is telling the Kulavadu Dharma. What is the Stri Dharma? Is telling. Stri Dharma, Bhagavan is telling. Gopis, no, they say that's not for us. We have been there, done that. Not now, gopis. So Bhagavan is telling dharma to them. Dharmyam khalu devachanam karmatuno nirmalasya vishwasyam. Narayana Bhattadri here says, your words have to be followed, but we cannot imitate your action. Like, can we drink poison like Krishna? No. Can we lift mountain like Bhagavan? No. So we cannot imitate your action, but we have to listen to your words, the code of dharma, you have to follow. So the gopis, when they heard this, what did Bhagavan say? Really, your duty is with the husband and the children and the parents and in-laws. You're not supposed to come here leaving everything in the middle of the night. Why did you come here? This is what Bhagavan said. Gopis could not believe it. And so they all cried to Bhagavan and they sing a beautiful song called Pranaya Geetam. It's in Bhagavatam, Pranaya Geetam, the song of love. Pranaya is that intense prema bhava. So they say, Krishna, you are telling us to go back to our husband. The husband and the children are only for this birth, but the relationship we have with you is going beyond countless births, Krishna. You are our Atma Swarupa, and once we have attained that, why will we go back to the temporary again? Why are you telling this, Krishna? The Kushalam Bhaktai, the intelligent women will know what is eternal and hold on to that. She won't go for temporary stuff. So you are the Atman of ours, and so we want to only serve you, and we want to be with you. Please don't send back. After doing all the work over there correctly, only we have come this far. If you did not follow dharma, we cannot hope to even read rasa. Somebody put in the group the other day, why somebody is dressing up like Krishna, or they want to be a polygamist. My God, I said, what is this? After reading about Krishna, this is what you think? Really, Maya is playing with you. Wow, I'm very sad for you. You're a casualty of Maya. No point talking with you. So, Krishna Puryade, Krishna Tattvam aham na jane. Sadashiva Brahmendra is telling Krishna Tattva eppadi puriyum. Appo and the gopis matram, only gopis understand Krishna Tattva. So the gopis are telling the samsara pati, we have done everything. If you are a good pativrata, you will finish the work here, then you will go to the loka where the pati goes, and both of you will reside happily ever after. That is Stri Dharma, Pativrata Dharma. But gopis, our highest pidichutta, they got the highest Bhagavan. Aparama, what is there? There is no need for Pativrata Dharma. After that, they went to Bhagavata Dharma. Bhagavata Dharma, Bhagavan top. Bhagavan in everything. What are we doing, you and I? We bring our husband to satsang and make him a Bhagavata. And then we all go together. That will be the ideal life, right? No, so you are all blessed, we are all blessed. We are not in those category of worldly people. We are in satsang. So we are all Bhagavata Dharma. All are going together. Husband is coming. I don't have doubt about. So that's why we are holding on to the highest. So Krishna will take all of us together. Krishna is taking all of us together. Aldan, the Kushalas Bhaktai will do. She has to hold on to Krishna. Krishna will hold on to her family and he will take all of them. So the gopis are telling, we are coming to you. You cannot send us back to the world and again do those same domestic chores. We are done. So they are telling, Akanyade pratipamani enidrisha param dinaha mama karuna sindhu parityaje chatichiram vile pustaha Akanyade pratipamani enidrisha param dinaha mama karuna sindhu parityaje chatichiram vile pustaha. How to get our way with Bhagavan. The Bhakta will be very firm. Bhakta Madiya Pudingin Ramanar will tell. Some Bhakta will ask, no, let me get a job or let me get a good house. But some Bhakta will come and Madiya Pudingin Pedwan Tamil he would. They will take everything from me, Ramanar will tell, right? Taking Madiya means taking me the whole thing. That's what the gopis do. They know what they want and they are not leaving until they take it all the way. So they are crying and they are pleading, they are singing. So, tasam ruditai labidai karuna kulamanaso murare tvam tabhistamam pravritto yamuna pulineshu kamam abhirandum tasam ruditai labidai करुणाकुलमानसो मुरारे त्वं ताभिस्तमं प्रवृत्तो यमुना पुलिनेषु काममभिरन्तुम्. So much affection and pleading with Bhagavan and begging him, then Bhagavan became happy. So he started doing viharam with them in the sandy banks of the Yamuna river. Yamuna Pulineshu, so Rasa started here. So rasa is what? Going around in the woods and singing and dancing and doing seva to each other, plucking flowers, making garland, putting garland for each other, giving, drinking water, making, different asana for Bhagavan. Rasa means seva is there. Seva. Everybody will have some work in rasa. Right? So, Narsimha Mehta had the darshan of rasa by Lord Shiva's grace. Shiva loves rasa. Lord Shiva became a gopi. It is called Gopeshwar Mahadev in Braj. Lord Shiva also, but to get there you have to become a gopi. Lord Shiva gave up this body and became took bath in the Radha Kund and became the gopi form. And he blessed Narsimha Mehta. Narsimha Mehta is still he's telling Narsimha Mehta, ask me a boon. Narsimha Mehta didn't know what to ask. Then he's telling, oh Lord, you give me that you like the most. Now Lord Shiva was in a fix. He has never told anyone what he likes the most. Even Parvati Devi does not know. And Lord Shiva could not do anything. He has given the word. So he takes Narsi to Rasa. And then Lalita Sakhi comes, Radha, and she gives the lantern for Narsi to hold. He's holding the lantern, the light. And all the gopis are dancing. Narsi got a seva in Rasa. Everybody will get a seva. When the gopis are dancing and they are sweating and tired, somebody will do chamaram for them. When they become very thirsty, somebody will go and take water for them. When the dresses are shifting, etc., somebody will address them. Like this, different seva will be there. The Yamuna river is doing seva by offering her blue lotuses and lovely lilies to Bhagavan. The Govardhan Parvat is offering seva by offering the fruits and roots and beautiful lovely waters and to cool them. Ellame seva done. Rasa is not like filmy gane, right? Rasa is the what state the gopis were, what state Krishna was, we cannot explain. It is not like childhood. In some sampradaya, they will say Krishna was only 5 years old and the gopis are very old ladies. It was just a dance. No, not really. Krishna and gopis are all young. It is a young Leela. It's a Shringara Bhava. Bhagavan will embrace them. Bhagavan will do viharam with them. Everything will happen. But the state of their mind is what you and I cannot understand. So, Adna Brajavasi, they won't hide anything. They will give it as it is. But are you able to get it? That's up to you. They will give it as it is. Brajavasi, they won't beat around the bush. They won't tell mince words. It happened. It is Shringara Bhava. It happened. On the mind level, namalukille. Nala we cannot just imitate it. We cannot just go there. Intense tapashakti, Radhe grace. We need Guru Arpan grace that we are even reading. So, the gopis, Bhagavan does rasa with them. Chandrakara, Cyandalasat, Sundara, Yamuna Tatanta, Vitishu, Gopi Janottariyaihi, Apadida, Samstaro, Nyashidastvam. It is risen in the eastern horizon, the moon is shining brightly, and all the gopis are all, now suddenly everybody is dressed up and looking very beautiful, wearing kundalas and kanganas and anklets and the waist belts, and all are wearing colorful dresses, and Bhagavan is sporting with them in the banks of the Yamuna. They all put their uttariyam and make a nice cushion seat for Bhagavan, and Bhagavan is seated there. Bhagavan is the Ras Vihari Lal, is the Raja, and Radhe is the Queen of Vraj. So, Bhagavan is delighting with them. Yes. So, Sumadura Narmalapanaihi, Karasangrahanaicha Chumbanolasaihi, Gadalingana Sangaihi, Tamangana Lokama Puli Chakre, Sumadura Narmalapanaihi, Karasangrahanaicha Chumbanolasaihi, Gadalingana Sangaihi, Tamangana Lokama Chakrashe. Exactly, this is another quality of Bhagavan, is Prema Swarupa. Whichever Bhava Bhakta goes, Bhagavan fulfills that Bhava. That is our Bhagavan. So Gopi want to experience Bhagavan in this way. So Bhagavan is giving them, delighting them in that way. Whichever Bhava goes, Bhagavan delights, Bhagavan reciprocates in that way. So the gopis, Bhagavan ennoda kantan, he is my beloved. That is how the Gopi Bhava was. So Bhagavan is also returning the Bhava to them. So all of them, they are enjoying so much with Bhagavan, with his beautiful sweet talk, with his lovely eyes, with his so many laughing and joking, and then close embraces and the lovely moments together they have with Bhagavan. Whatever Bhagavan promised in that day when the robes were stolen, Vastra Apaharanam, Adella Bhagavan fulfilled for them. Vasoharanadini Yad Vasoharanam Pratishrutam Tasam Tadapi Vibhurasa Vivashaswandanam Tanda Subhruvam Adadaha Vasoharanadini Yad Vasoharanam Pratishrutam Tasam Tadapi Vibhurasa Vivashaswandanam Tanda Subhruvam Adadaha. So, there's a Vivasha Swandanam, the rest. Anything where we are enjoying the rest is coming from, we are enjoying the rest of jalebi, that's the rest is Radhe. You are enjoying rest malai, that rest is Radhe. If you are enjoying beautiful scenery in the garden, lovely beautiful flower, that rest is also Radhe. The rest we feel inside, that's Radhe. So, and the rest, அது ரொம்ப டீப்பா இருக்கு. searching for தளித்த கர்மலேஷம் குந்த மிருது ஸ்மேர வக்ரபாதோஜம் நந்தசுதத்வம் த்ரிஜகத் சுந்தரம் உபகுஹ்ய நந்திதா பாலாஹ கர்மலேஷம் குந்த மிருது ஸ்மேர வக்ரபாதோஜம் Nandasudhatvam Trijagat Sundaram Upaguhya Nandita Balaha. Nandasudatvam, the son of our Sri Krishna, is so beautiful. No one as beautiful as Kannan. At Kannan, after getting that Bhagavan, the gopis gopis are getting immense delight. So Bhagavan is delighting, and then next sloka also, Virahe Shvangaramaya Shringaramaya Sangame Hitvam Nitaram Angaramaya Tatra Puna Sangame Vichitramidam Virahe Shvangaramaya Shringaramaya Sangame Hitvam Nitaram Angaramaya Tatra Puna Sangame Vichitramidam. And then anga separation anga aramaya. Different ways Bhattadri is experiencing the rasa. Bhagavan actually does rasa in Guruvayur for Bhattadri to write, that is 69th chapter that will come. So the gopis are asking Bhagavan, what is the meaning of love? We are giving all the love, but yet you are playing with us. What is the meaning of love there? That is in the chapter Bhagavan explains the premai, then we all will say, what is that premai? Premai means something that will guna rahitam, kamana rahitam, pratikshanam manam. It should increase every minute. We should not get bored with this friend because I'm bored. Like that, it's not like premai should increase moment. Never get tired. In our house we'll say, I need space. You do your thing, I'll do my thing. No, not in prema. The prema will be, they're always together, but they still feel it's new every time. They want more of you. They never say enough. That's infinite the prema. Innam karkyum aanalum innam venam. Like that, the prema. And then, kamana rahitam. There is no selfishness in it. It's like that sukh sukhita. You should be happy. That person, they'll tell Krishna, you should be happy. Krishna will say, Gopi, you should be happy. Like that, everybody wants others to be happy, not them. There's no selfishness in prema. All this is called the prema bhava. Bhagavan explains to them on the next chapter, I'll tell. So our Radhe and Krishna, they are embracing. Radha, the Mari or Anandam, Krishna has only in Vraj. After that, all the responsibility come on his shoulders. So many kings come and attack. Then the Mahabharata Yuddha, so many, so much work to deal with. The Bhagavan had most enjoyable time in Vraj. So, and then when he was with Radhe. So, Annala, when we talk about that, Bhagavan is happy. The Vrajalila. So here, Radha is hugging Bhagavan. Radha Tunga Payodara Sadhupari Rambalolu Patmanam Aradhaye Bhavandam Anaya Aradito Nunam. Radhayoda Pere Varlai Bhagavatatla. Then they will say, why Radha name not come now? That's how she is. She's so humble and does not show herself. That not even for us, if we'll say my name should come in everything. Radha is not so. The whole thing is about her. Bhagavatam came because of her. Radha's parrot Shuka is the one who came and Prakasha Pattara Bhagavatam, the parrot of Radha, right? Vyasa wrote Bhagavatam, but Shukar Prakashicha Bhagavatam. That's Radhayoda parrot Shukar, that's Radha Anupina. Ellarkum tell about Krishna to everyone. So Radha is the Karune of Radha that we got Bhagavatam, and because of that came. But yet her name is not coming anywhere. Radha Tunga Payodara Sadhu Paridambalolu Patmanam Aradhaye Bhavandam Pavana Puradisha Shamaya Sakala Gadan. Bhagavan Aradhana of Radha. So that is one way, reason why she's called Radha. Is Bhagavan does Aradhana of Radha. Aradhaye Bhavandam Pavana Puradisha Shamaya Sakala Gadan Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Even the Ashtabadi song will be there, right? The Priye Charu Shile. And Bhagavan tells Radhe, please come and put your feet on my head. Up in the part will come, right? Ashtabadi. Bhagavan is happy. So, Pavana Puradisha Shamaya Sakala Gadan Shri Krishna Brahmani Namaha Sandrananda Vabodhatma Kundam But